Canva is going to take over the entire graphic designing industry, and if you don't believe that, this video is going to prove you wrong. Canva left everyone in shock as they finally announced that their professional creative suite Affinity will now be completely free for all users globally. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open Affinity and use your Canva account to access the entire software for free. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, what you want to do is to head over to your browser and in the search bar type in Affinity. Now click on this one, and once you're inside, head over to this button on the right-hand corner that says Get Affinity. You will then be redirected into a page where it says here that you can get this absolutely for free. You just need to sign up to download it into your desktop. Make sure that you're using your active account and click on Continue. As you can see here, you can download it for both Mac and Windows. For Windows users, just click the drop-down and select the MSI/EXE option. Once the download is complete, just run the file to open it locally on your desktop. Now this is absolutely stunning. You can really see here that Canva took their opening experience to a whole new level. The Affinity splash screen feels more polished, intentional, and premium. Once it opens, the first thing you'll see here are the different canvas size as well as the mini tutorials that can help you navigate the whole software. To show you how powerful this tool is, let's try to make a whole brand logo from scratch. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you've seen a quick glimpse of what Affinity by Canva can do and why its potential is honestly huge, especially now that it's completely free. If you want me to turn this into a full series and dive deeper into every feature, get this video to 10,000 likes and comment Affinity by Canva. If you want to learn more Canva tricks, don't forget to check out our 20-minute masterclass where you will learn the fundamentals of Canva. If you want to scale up fast, just click the pop-up that will appear onto your screen. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.